Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will explore how to sort results in ascending and descending order, sort by multiple columns, sort using expressions, and even learn how to sort null values. We will be working with the customer table from our DVD rental database. So let's dive in. Let's start by starting with something simple by selecting the first name and last name from our customer table. It just retrieves the first name and last name from the table. But what if we want them sorted alphabetically by first name? We can do this by using the order by clause. So we can modify our statement like this: select first name, last name from customer, then order by first name. By default, it should sort the first name in ascending order, that is from A to Z, and we can also specify it A is C. This keyword sorts the data in ascending order. So let's execute this command, and we can see that our data is sorted alphabetically from A to Z based on the first name. But if you want to sort it in reverse order, you can just use the descending order keyword, which is DESC, and this should just sort our customer name in descending order, that is in reverse order based on the first name. Now we can see that the orders are reversed, but you won't always be sorting the data based on just one column. Let's say we want to sort first name in ascending order, that is from A to Z, but if two people have same first name, sort them again by last name in reverse order. So let's try it out. We are going to add some new data in our database. Okay, so I'm going to insert a new record in our customer table. I will explain how to insert data in another video. Now just run this command, but I will make some changes here. Let's say 602, and let's keep the name as it is and change it here. And now let's run it. Now we can see that the data inserted successfully, and now we can go back to our last query. So now we are going to sort our customer name in ascending order based on first name. So, and then in descending order based on last name. So it will actually first sort all our data using based on the first name and then last name. So let's run it, and now we can see that there are 4 Allen, and if you notice, the last name are sorted in reverse order. So far we have only used order by with columns, but we can also sort based on some expressions as well. Let's sort our customer name by the length of their first name. So we already have our first name and last name, and now we need to calculate the length of the first name. We can do this by using the built-in function called length, and then provide the column name, which is the first name. So this should calculate the number of characters in the first name. So let's run it first. Now we can see the number of characters, and now our task is to sort this name based on this length. So we will just remove this condition from here and then order by length. So let's give it an alias.
Yes.
'Length'. So I will use the alias here, len. Then I will use descending order. So this will sort our customer name in descending order. So let's run it. Now we can see that the longest name appear first. Let's explore a special case, that is sorting null values. It's common to have null values, and we can sort it by either showing the null values first or last. By default, PostgreSQL sorts them last when you use ascending order. But when you use descending order, it will show the null value first. But if you want to control where you want to show the null values, you can use nulls first or nulls last. Let's create a simple table and insert some dummy data to explore this. So this is create table, sort nulls, column name is number, and the column should have integer value. I will explain how to create tables in details in later videos. So let's run it for now. So the sort nulls already exist, so I'll rename it. Let's say sort nulls 2. Now the table has been created successfully, and let's insert some dummy data. So our table name was sort nulls 2. Now we are going to insert this data in our table. So data are inserted successfully. Now let's select the numbers from our sort nulls table. So this says select numbers from sort null 2 and then order by numbers ascending. So this should select the numbers from this table and order the number in ascending order, that is from 1, 2, 3, 4 in this order. So let's run it. Now we can see that it's ordered in ascending order and the null values are placed at the bottom. But if we want to see this null value first, let's say it should show the null value first and then order the rest of the data. We can do that by using nulls first. Now we can see that the null value is at the top and then the rest of the data. And if we are sorting the data in descending order, the null should come first by default unless you explicitly say the nulls last. So try it out and see what happens. So in this lesson you learned how to sort with order by in ascending and descending order, sort by multiple columns, sort using expressions, and handle null values. In our next video, we will cover the where clause, one of the most important SQL clause after select. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.